I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon to make money. Amazon offers a fantastic platform for entrepreneurs and creators to generate income. Whether you are looking to sell physical products, offer services, or even publish your own books, there are numerous avenues available. We will explore the most popular and effective methods, providing you with a clear roadmap to begin your journey. Get ready to unlock the potential of this massive online marketplace and start building your financial future. Selling physical products is a cornerstone of Amazon's marketplace. You can choose private label, creating your own brand, or retail arbitrage, buying low and selling high. Dropshipping allows you to sell without holding inventory. Many sellers utilize Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, where Amazon handles storage, packing, and shipping for a small percentage of each sale, typically around 15% for many categories. This frees up your time to focus on sourcing and marketing. Beyond selling physical goods, Amazon offers several other exciting income streams. The Amazon Associates program lets you earn commissions, often between 3 and 10%, by promoting products through unique affiliate links. If you are a writer, Kindle Direct Publishing allows you to self-publish ebooks and paperbacks, earning up to 70% royalties on sales. Additionally, Amazon Flex provides opportunities to deliver packages, offering flexible hourly rates for your time. To truly succeed on Amazon, strategic planning is essential. Begin with thorough product research to identify profitable niches and understand customer demand. Optimize your product listings with clear, engaging descriptions and high-quality images to attract buyers. Providing excellent customer service is paramount for building a strong reputation and encouraging repeat business. Continuously analyze your sales data and adapt your strategies to stay competitive and maximize your earnings over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.